I want to in fact get you that particular statement from Priyanka Gandhi, in which when she was asked about the Prime Minister's speech coming up, and this was a few hours ago, she says very clearly that the LOP wasn't allowed to speak. Why will we allow the Prime Minister to speak?
डर गए, आने से डर गए सदन में, और उनके रेल मंत्री और निशिकांत जी तो बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह भागे लड़कियों को। निशिकांत जी कई तरह का आरोप भी लगा रहे। डर गए, आने से डर गए सदन में, और उनके रेल मंत्री और निशिकांत जी तो बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह भागे लड़कियों को। निशिकांत जी कई तरह का आरोप भी लगा रहे।
भैया जी, हाउस चलेगा क्या? आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर को बोलने का मौका देगा क्या विपक्ष?
आप देखिए क्या होता है।
क्योंकि सीधे तौर पे सांसदों को सस्पेंड भी किया गया, लेकिन बात अभी भी एलओपी की अधूरी है।
सामने किसका?
मैम, जिस तरीके का माहौल है क्या?
So we played out two sequences there. One where Priyanka Gandhi says that the LOP wasn't allowed to speak, the Prime Minister will not be allowed to speak, we will ensure it. And the other where after there was no chance of really any proceedings in the House, she says the Prime Minister got scared. Maushami Singh is joining us with more details. So on that, Maushami, you had a very, very clear message from Priyanka Gandhi that this was the opposition strategy all along. But the question now is what happens tomorrow? Piyush tells us there have been multiple attempts to break this deadlock. It hasn't led to anything whatsoever. Now tomorrow when the Prime Minister attempts to speak, will the opposition stall it again?
Akshita, as you rightly said, if that part can be played out where Priyanka Gandhi specifically says that if the leader of opposition, and she said that in the afternoon, just about an hour before the 5 p.m. When the House was to be convened, that if our leader of the opposition is not allowed to speak, हम उनको कैसे बोलने दे सकते हैं? So that is what Priyanka Gandhi said, and clearly perhaps they felt that the speaker was helpless. They say that the speaker didn't take any action against Nishikant Dubey, who waived all those books that he got. And this was clearly, if you look at the ruling of the Lok Sabha speaker, he said that, you cannot quote from a book, is the ruling that the speaker gave if it is not in context of the topic that is being discussed. So day before yesterday, speaker, when the discussion started, the speaker had said that. So clearly, the opposition felt that we will not let the House function, and there was an entire synchronization. I spoke to Abhishek Banerjee about at 3 p.m. and he said, suspense thoda rehne dijiye. We won't let our strategy out. That was after it come back from the Supreme Court. That means that the Congress, in tandem with the Samajwadi Party, now in those visuals also that you're showing our viewers, Akshita, if you look at the opposition benches, the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi Party, the DMK MPs, all are up in arms. All are standing right when the House started at 5 p.m. So the plan was perhaps when the PM would come, all the opposition MPs would show that banner to the Prime Minister, which is saying what Rahul Gandhi said outside the House, jo uchit lage wahi karo. And all the women MPs then, marched when they realized that the PM is not there. They started to call out Nishikant Dubey. And Priyanka Gandhi is saying that bullet train ki tarah bhage. So perhaps tension peaking there in the lower house. And I don't think that unless there is some big reach out, anything can happen, or some action against Nishikant Dubey is what the opposition MPs would be demanding, to say the least.
Okay, Maushami getting us all of those details of what really played out, and the fact that you had all of these women opposition MPs get around the Treasury bench largely to send across a message to Nishikant Dubey as well, the BJP MP who was involved in that book versus book face-off.